Hello everyone, today it's just going to be a short video. We're going to be cleaning up the 72 Corolla. Since we got it, I've been meaning to vacuum it. It just looks completely gnarly on the inside, so I'll give you guys a look. So when we first got it, it was actually full of a bunch of like irrigation hose, and the previous owner pretty much just took it out. He had a bunch of tools in there. A couple of them are still in here. An old magazine, an old head. I'm assuming it's something that might go onto this car. I don't know. I haven't really taken a look at it, but it's really messy. It looks like there used to be some rats that were living in here, but at least the back seats look decent. Got my vacuum here. Let's see if we can clean it up a bit. Maybe throw an air freshener in there or something, because it smells kind of funky. Yep. Looks to be an old Toyota. Antifreeze and 30 quarts of Valvoline. I wonder if there's a date here. 4/3/1987. $39.98 for an oil change and an antifreeze swap. Got myself a tool. These belong to the head. A light bulb. You know what? I'm gonna get some gloves on. Yeah, red key or poop. I don't inhale that. Oh, now this is interesting. March 1988. So this car hasn't been registered according to the license plate since 1987, and that being an 88 men's magazine, I'm guessing it might be true. So, I mean, I don't know who this person was, but I'm assuming by this that either he was a gentleman, a man, or it was a female who let their their kid have or borrow the car, and he left that in there. But we got some more cutting wheels. some matches, and a whole lot of rat poop. Man, I think I'm gonna have to take the seats off too to get a good cleaning in the back. And then whoever was driving this car was a pretty heavy smoker, and so were his passengers. And then I still don't have a way to open up the trunk. I tried all of my old Toyota keys and they didn't work, so I'm gonna have to get a locksmith to help me out on that one. Unless I miraculously find the key in here, which I don't think I will. But let's keep cleaning. I mean, we got a wonderful surprise on that one, I guess. Alright, so the car's somewhat clean now. Ashtray, pretty used up. It was a different time in the 70s and 80s, you know. People smoked everywhere. All the cars came with one of those. Light up your cigarettes. I'll probably keep that in there just for originality, but I mean, I myself don't smoke. This guy really liked to comb his hair. Old school Toyota technology. I managed to get the trunk open, and since the GoPro had died, I went ahead and cleaned it out without you guys. This is mine. This is mine. This is, it came in the car. Spare, full-size spare came with the car. It was covered in, again, rat poop and whatnot. And it came with miscellaneous rags, some sandpaper, old tile cutter with a tile, some hand tools. This looks like it's for cement, a busted up level, and this really nice hammer, a one-piece jumper, and like I said, and a special men's mix. Most of the stuff is going to go in the trash. I don't want to keep it. The only thing I really want is probably just the hammer and the little pliers right here on the side. But everything else is trash. So I actually managed to get in by removing the speakers from the top piece over here, and then I just shined my my light in there to see how I could undo the latch mechanism. Just put the screwdriver right here and popped it up. Easy as pie. And now we can open and close it whenever we want. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. That's all I got for you. Sorry, I know it's not exciting. Maybe next weekend or this upcoming weekend we're gonna take the Subaru out. I've been meaning to take that thing out off-roading so that we can have some fun and get some actual car content for you guys. Like I said, we have a drift event in March, but that's not until the 26th. I may sign up for a drift event at what is it called, Adams Motorsports Park, but I'll see. I mean, it all depends on, you know, time and when it is and where I'm working at and how many tires I can get for that time. But yeah, thanks for watching if you did watch. If not, it's cool. I mean, you know, I know this isn't very exciting.